Alright guys, we're at the cafeteria again, and right now we're about to enter where you usually buy food. And right off the bat, we can see some nice Christmas decor right here, which is very beautiful. And we can see that people are already getting into that Christmas spirit. Alright, let's go ask some of these people if they're excited for Christmas. Who likes Christmas here?
We love Christmas!
Yeah, everyone loves Christmas.
We all love Christmas.
Do you guys remember the Christmas assembly?
Yeah.
From last year?
Yeah.
Alright, do you guys remember the Christmas assembly from last year?
Yeah.
Alright, do you guys like Christmas?
Christmas?
Yeah.
We love Christmas.
Did you guys like the Christmas assembly from last year?
I don't remember. I don't think I was here.
Okay.
Oh wait, I was awesome. 10 out of 10.
Do you guys remember the Christmas assembly from last year?
Very vague.
Do you guys remember the Christmas assembly from last year?
100%.
Yeah, for sure. Yes, I do.
Do you guys remember the Christmas assembly from last year?
No. I remember it. Andre knew it.
For the Christmas assembly from last year?
No.
Let's go. Right now we're in the library. I gotta be a little quiet because people are being very productive and they're studying for their future assignments. So for this year, what are you guys the most excited to see?
I guess the girls' dance team.
What about you?
I would say pretty much anything because it's honestly a surprise every year. We do something new, so I'm looking forward to see something new again.
Now for this year, what are you guys the most excited for?
Janelle playing her guitar.
Yeah.
You're on the Christmas. Whoa, she's out.
It's gonna be awesome.
So now what are you guys excited to see for in this new assembly for this year?
People, the presentation.
What do you guys hope to see this year?
I hope to see, some better dancing.
Yeah, bigger.
Some, like
More decoration.
Yeah. More like Christmas spirit, like
So like
la, la,
better
la.
dancing and more
Yeah.
okay,
Like, get
more
into the
decorated
spirit.
dance.
Yeah.
Now for this year, what are you guys excited to see?
The dance team, for sure. The dance team.
What do you hope to see for this
I hope
year?
I see somebody do a flip of some sort. I want to see the Chronicles.
I want to see Santa.
What do you hope to see for this year?
I really hope to see the dance team this year.
What are you guys excited to see for this year's assembly?
Dance. I'm excited to see some dancing.
What about you?
Is Sarush gonna come back?
What about you?
I like singing.
Singing? So we like singing and dancing.
Yes.
And Sarush. You like Sarush. What do you hope to see this year?
The dancing. Yeah,
The dancing? The dance team? So the dance team gets the most love.
Yes.
So can we say dance team on 3?
Yeah.
So 3, 2, 1. Dance team.
Hello Phoenix, welcome back to RezTalk, and we hope you liked that little segment brought to you by the ICTC Club. Today I have the honor to interview a very special guest today for our pilot episode. May I introduce you to the highly esteemed Miss Worley.
Hi. Thank you for having me.
Of course.
It's great to be here today.
Yeah, especially on our pilot episode. It's been
Yes.
fun, yeah. What are some of the biggest changes the school has gone through recently?
Well, we've been lucky enough over it kind of started in July with all the construction happening here in the building. That happens every so many years for schools, and Resurrection's such a beautiful school, but the construction has allowed us certainly to modernize a little bit and try to personalize it a little bit more for this incredible community. So you have seen lots of facility changes over the last little bit, which will continue to happen. And with that, we've been able to continue to modernize classroom spaces, to create collaborative learning for all of our students, to make sure that we are supporting all of our learners, especially with universal design for learning, but also considering the disruptions over the last many years that we're all aware of. We continue to just try to work to build a sense of community, belonging, and focus on everyone's wellness.
I understand that you have many roles and responsibilities that you have to partake in every day. How do you balance administrative duties while connecting with the students and staff? And how do you plan to move forward with that?
Yeah, it's a great question. It's certainly something that can be very difficult. There's lots of different things that you're trying to balance in a day. But first and foremost, on top of safety, the most important thing for me is building connections with staff and students, and doing my best just to integrate it into the work that you do throughout the day. Making a point to be in the halls as much as possible, visiting classrooms when we can, checking in with students, checking in with staff, greeting them when they come in the mornings, just a quick check-in and hello to see how people are doing, and making sure that I'm visible at major events, extracurricular activities whenever possible, and just really making a point to try to build connections whenever we can throughout the day.
I've seen how you have attended all these events. Out of what's happened so far this year, which one's your favorite?
Oh, well, I don't know that I could pick a favorite. I love being able to participate and be with the students whenever I can, and there's so many great opportunities for students to get involved at Resurrection outside the classroom, whether it be clubs, student council, sports and activities, so it's just nice to be able to participate in all of them. I know our seniors are, really focusing on lots of the great events that are happening this year, and had the chance to do their senior sunrise. I'm looking forward to the upcoming dances and the continued events for everyone here at the school.
The nature of our school is just a gateway to so many boundless opportunities for our students. And I was just wondering, what do you hope students learn beyond academics at our school here?
Yeah, great question. I think it's really important that students learn resilience and grit so that they're able to face any challenges that they may face in the future. I hope they leave our school with kindness, care, compassion, and empathy for others. Certainly, something that we witness in our school every day. Our students and staff do a wonderful job of taking care of one another, and we certainly hope that they're able to take that away with them. But I hope our students leave our school with the confidence in who they are, trust in themselves, and the braveness and courage to be able to share their voice and find purpose, and that they have the confidence to take that forward into the world.
Reached our random question of the day.
Okay.
So, Miss Worley, you
Yes,
ready?
yes, I'm ready.
If you could sacrifice any of your senses for any superpower, which superpower would you gain, and which sense would you sacrifice?
You know what? I think probably I would give up the sense of smell for the superpower, perhaps to stop time, or even just pause time a little bit. I think time moves so quickly, and there's so many things and so many opportunities and things that we want to do in life that I think sometimes it races by a little too quickly, and just the opportunity to just, as they say, stop and smell the flowers a little bit. But yeah, I think I would give up the sense of smell so that I could just pause time a little bit.
It's a great answer.
Yeah.
I have to ask. It's Halloween. What's your favorite candy and why?
Oh my gosh.
Childhood and current.
Current. Well, you know what? My favorite candy or chocolate bar is the Big Turk.
Ooh.
Is a Big Turk. It always has been. I think it will continue to be. But I also do love really all sorts of candy. But sour candy is probably my favorite. Sour candies. Yep.
Sour candy?
My favorite sour candy. Well, I do really like cherry blasters. Yeah, I would say cherry blasters and sour kids are probably my favorite. Yeah.
Cherry blasters are amazing.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time, and we hope you have a great morning.
Thank you guys very much. I really appreciate you having me here. I know what wonderful work that you are doing, and I'm excited for your Res Talks and episode number 1.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, everybody.
What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be touring Resurrection Catholic Secondary School. We're going to be talking about how they are pilgrims of hope. So let's go. Hey guys, we're in the cafeteria now, and we're gonna talk to some students who go to Res. Guys, how do you guys feel about going to Res?
Oh my gosh. I love going to Res. I wake up every morning, I get ready, and I'm like, oh, I'm so excited to go to school. What about you, Brooklyn?
I love it here. I love all the enthusiasm, the people. It's just such a bright and welcoming place.
Please.
I feel so welcome every day.
I love being a Phoenix.
I love the food here. Guys, we're heading to the gym after I picked up some delicious cafeteria food, and we're going to talk to some gym teachers. I'm here with Kenneth Christian Palafox, and we're going to ask him why he loves this school. Kenneth, why do you love this school?
I would say a lot of my love for the school is influenced by the community. People around this school are like very friendly. They're very easygoing. It's not hard to make friends with people. My gym class especially is a great example. Everyone's very like good together. We have a brotherhood type of relationship going on in there. My other classes, very strong. Good teachers. Teachers are great. You can always ask for help. Even if you think there's no one out there to help you, you always got either the principals, teachers, guidance counselor to help you out.
All right, thank you, Kenneth. Let's go. Guys, we're about to go to our last stop of the video. Today we've seen so many positive community members, and we've seen how this school is a true representation of Pilgrims of Hope. Guys, we have reached the final stop of today's video. As you can see, I'm at the front of the school with the Phoenix statue. I hope you've seen today how our community is true Pilgrims of Hope, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No! Thank you, Gabriel. This week's forecast calls for a dramatic decrease in temperature. As winter slowly begins to settle in, we can start to see rain begin its slow transition into snow. Looks like it finally might be time to start bringing out those winter jackets, folks. I've just received confirmation of a catastrophic malfunction. A catastrophic malfunction in the Toronto nuclear power plants has caused the rain to become acidic. So bring out your umbrellas, folks. The dramatic temperature decrease has caused the acidic rain to become acidic hail. So get inside and probably call your insurance company, before the line gets really busy, because I can assume that there's probably going to be a lot of people calling this week. Well, looking back at this week's forecast here, we can see that the temperature has decreased to an average of -10 this week. Looks like we finally might be getting a white Christmas this year, folks. Fingers crossed. Just received word that the acidic hail has now become acidic lightning. As if acidic hail wasn't bad enough, got lightning. So, if you get struck by lightning and somehow survive, I guess call poison control or a priest or whatever you think works in this situation. Oh boy. So, just received word that the acidic hail has damaged the nuclear power plant in Toronto, causing a slightly less, even more, bigger than Chernobyl level explosion. And humans and the radiation humans have been mutated by the radiation, so have the wildlife. We've been seeing sights of rats standing on their hind legs, front legs. Oh, they're on their front legs. And also human-rat sort of mutations. We've seen humans with tails and also humans with like these weird-looking claws and buck teeth.
And also, the subtle craving for cheese is really starting to go around right now. So yeah, be on the lookout for that as well. So I've just had word that the explosion is going to cause a global power outage. So we will be out in about...
That's good.